Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about a very important topic. Why do most people fail in life? And why only a few people succeed? Every person wants success. Everyone wants a good life. Everyone wants respect, money, and happiness. But only a few people reach their dreams. Why? Is it because of luck? Is it because of money? Is it because of talent? No. Today we will find the real reasons. This story is not about rich people. This is about you and me. So watch till the end. This video can change your life. Every person has dreams. Some want to become doctors. Some want to become teachers. Some want to become YouTubers. Some want to become businessmen. When we are children, we dream big. I will become great. I will become famous. I will help my family. But slowly, these dreams die. Why? Because people stop believing. They say, "It is too difficult. I am not smart. Others are better. I cannot do it." Successful people are different. They never kill their dreams. They protect their dreams like a baby. They say, "I will try again. I will learn. I will not give up." This is the first difference. Fear destroys more dreams than failure. People are afraid of failing, being laughed at, making mistakes, starting something new. Example, a student wants to speak English, but he thinks, what if people laugh? What if I speak wrong? So he stays silent. He never improves. Another student speaks. He makes mistakes. People laugh, but he learns. One day he speaks confidently. Who wins? The brave one. Successful people feel fear, but they move forward. Unsuccessful people feel fear and stop. Remember, courage is not no fear. Courage is moving despite fear. Laziness is very dangerous. It comes slowly. You say, "I will do it tomorrow." Today I am tired. Next week is better. Tomorrow never comes. Lazy people wake up late, waste time on mobile, watch useless videos, sleep too much. Successful people wake up early, use time well, read books, learn skills, practice daily. 1 hour every day equals 365 hours in a year. That is power. Small effort daily equals big success later. Many people have no direction. They don't know what they want, why they want, how to get it. They just live, eat, sleep, scroll, repeat. Successful people have clear goals. Example, I want to become a teacher in 3 years. I will study 3 hours daily. I will improve my English. They write goals. They check progress. They stay focused. If you don't know where to go, you will never reach. Habits make life. Bad habits destroy dreams. Bad habits like too much phone, late sleeping, no exercise, no reading, negative thinking. Good habits, early rising, daily study, exercise, reading, positive thinking. Your future depends on habits, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Build good habits. Your company decides your future. If you stay with lazy people, you become lazy. If you stay with dreamers, you become strong. Some people say, "You can't do it. It's impossible." Don't try. They are afraid. They want you to stay small. Successful people avoid negative people. They choose positive friends. Choose wisely. People want fast success. They want success in 1 month, money in 6 months, fame in 1 year. But real success takes time. Example, a tree grows slowly. First roots, then trunk, then branches, then fruits. Same with life. Successful people wait. They work silently. They trust the process. Failures quit early. Failures stop learning. They say, "I know enough. I am done." Successful people learn daily. They read books, watch useful videos, take advice, improve skills. World is changing fast. If you don't learn, you fall behind. Learning is power. Let me tell you a story. Ravi was a poor boy. No money, no support. But he had one thing: Dream. He studied daily, worked part-time, improved English, learned skills. He failed many times. People laughed, but he continued. Today, Ravi is successful. Another boy, Amit. Same village, same school, but he wasted time. Mobile, friends, fun. Today, he is still struggling. Same start, different choices. Now listen carefully. If you want success, do this. 1. Believe in yourself. Say, I can do it. 2. Set clear goals. Write your goals. 3. Work daily. Even 1 hour is enough. 4. Improve skills. English, computer, communication. 5. Avoid distractions. Less phone. More focus. 6. Stay positive. Think good. Speak good. 7. Never quit. Try again and again. Success is not magic. It is daily effort.
Thank you.
You can choose your side. Failure or success. The choice is yours. Start today, not tomorrow. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Keep learning. Keep growing. Never stop.